What's up everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today we're just doing a quick overview on the bench with this Ford Performance ARB portable air compressor kit. Now, what makes this unique from just any regular ARB portable air compressor that you can get is normally ARB provides the compressor and then you buy a separate bracket and some accessories to either mount it in your vehicle or put it in the truck bed or add things onto it to use it depending on what your situation might be. But with this Ford Performance setup, they've actually built it into a toolbox, which is kind of a clever thing because this makes it so it's something you can carry in your vehicle, but it doesn't necessarily have to be mounted and attached to the vehicle all the time. So what you can see here is they have one of their smaller compressors mounted inside the box. They have it ran to a power switch, and then you're gonna have some jumper cables coming off that are also fused. These cables are just gonna connect straight to your battery, so you'll just pop the hood on the vehicle, clip those on, and then you also have the actual compressor hose here that's got a quick fit that goes right on the front. From there, you can just run that around to all four of your tires, pump them up, and once you're done with everything, it all conveniently fits back into the same toolbox. Everything's right there, it's all easy to carry, and it's all put together pretty nicely too. It doesn't look like any of this is super cheap or janky. You know, the bracket they provide and the switch and everything is mounted really nicely. It does still come across as a high quality piece of equipment, which is usually what ARB is known for anyways. Now, as far as pumping tires up is concerned, these compressors are usually rated to do up to a 37-inch tire. And so if you have a Jeep that's running, you know, 4 37s on there, and then you've got a spare that you need to fill as well, it's probably gonna take you a while to get through it. It's definitely not a super fast pump, but it will get the job done when you need it. From my personal experience, these pumps work best when you're doing something that's like maybe a 33 to a 34-inch tire, say on your, you know, F-150 or on a Ranger, something like that. Just filling up after you've aired them down a bit on the trail. You can bring it 15 PSI back up to 40 so you can run on the highways, and usually they have no trouble getting that amount of airflow going. And once again, it's not going to be lightning fast. You're not just going to go one tire to the next in 5 minutes. One other thing to note about this compressor is that it isn't strictly just dedicated to tires. Ford does provide a little box with some attachments for the end here where you can use it to pump up a football or an air mattress or whatever that may be. So if you're camping with this and you don't necessarily need it to air up on the vehicle, you can use it to air up some of the other equipment that you might have, which makes it really handy all around. Generally speaking, I think this is a great tool to have in your kit, whether you're an off-roader or just an outdoorsman or somebody that needs something like this for the type of work that you do. It's a really clever little piece. And if you're interested in picking up one of these ARB compressor kits from Ford Performance, we'll have the link down in the description where you can check that out on our website. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.